no bo. Wa ba bo ha. We ba na kia. Where you roll when I'm moto, Tayo working. Wano Ikanka, Tayo you working. Wano Yabadao, Tayo you yawu. Wano Rosigo, Tayo Wakao. Wanata Maho, Walaki Amako, and Boyaka, Mamia Logero, Yoloka. Yamaya, Wawa Haye, no, oh, Naya Wabo, Amafia for Mafacote, Magia, Mamarula, Sashani Mate, Sashani
analyze video. And look at the video today. Share this video. And not there you say. And not there you say waiting. You hear a numpia. You hear a numpo. Wagayo bawo. I'm even now your bawo. Wagayo bawo. I'm even now your bawo. Hey, man, I'm you. I give you my woman. Ayo baba wana yawo baba ona uwe yawo wiye ona uwe uwala wagara yo bawo ina yo bawo wagata wagaso wele simioto wayira wa boko wele simioto wayira wa boko hello, can you say? Oh yeah, but more analyze the video. Wait, no they do more analyze. Hello, can you say? You say that my sister asked, my husband's sister asked. Now we celebrate. You don't want see the evidence, see the show. Wait, I don't call my husband mama. He want call Ipiki go work. Make it snap the C of O come. You understand? The C of O may snap and come. And he say where the paper they far. So now to tomorrow the C of O will come outside. Everything they shock, every day they show up. Be say you say Siana. I no marry man where we say they build us, he go build that for only in see na Mr. and Mrs. Na le is Sunday, na I cancel for there. And no be see and I dey show evidence day. The other one na my own property. My own property where I buy, where I never know my husband. Yes, I never know my husband. Now I buy the one financial and show Mrs. Essay Edopai. Now my lamb be that one. He shook evidence day. Papa, You say, as you talk and I call my husband call him my husband mama. He call him mama. He say I bet the CFO, the everything may send her come. You understand? Because the matter fed the station. You dey feel like the matter the station. Now police I won't try call now. Police will call her for live. The evidence they shock. You understand? The person where they help us they build the house. One won't carry the paper of the house for your hand. So the money where they back, what will give them, they pay for louvers, put for grand. But the time when they never put the louvers, but we don't pay for the money. Make it bring the money, now their problem can't do. Now we use police arrest them. As we use police arrest them, now they will for conscience say, he no do C of O for the ass, and we give her money. We give her money, a big cocky, ya not one. Now police arrest her. The bear, he say we go collect the paper. As he no say, as he want go collect the papers, now police want go collect the paper already. We don't already write petition against them. Now police now bear go station. Now they will consider say C of O, not demo be. Everything boss for station, secret boss. Now so you say this one where they talk, we don't come my husband mama ya may come Benin. See what they solve. My husband mama come Benin. Not be saying na my shock every day shock. Mo sorry, this and this. We say we will provide the money before they go free. Now my husband papa na I come talk say mo go set one for us. Mo come out for station. Who be this person so? The one we senior my husband. Now woman, his husband Daniel, which is Ilo. Now my husband is police arrest. You understand? So everything don't do okay. Now I say make they snap and make they bring a call. You say not be my husband get ass. Say na my sister and I'm see the evidence they show. Say I cut the name of the street and everything. You see I'm Mr. and Mrs. Not be my husband ne do. Not be only no. Mr. I am on my pants. Now this time around, that person you call the talk say my husband they build us. I will follow and build that my name no go. You dey why? You dey why? Who is shouting there? Who bring this thing out? Oh yeah, inside. You dey why? Now this time around, they say that they follow me, they suffer finish. Then my name no go dey. You dey why? Hello there. I no be kuku yeke o. I no be mama nara no zua. You understand? Iyo kono me legbe. I no fit follow my suffer finish. At the end of the day, all the old stress na le ine na I go dey for the paper. You see Mr. and Mrs. Jeremiah. Everybody know my husband. Now his son name, now I cancel come out for there. You dey why? You dey why? You see, every day shock. This my own so. Now we want to share before we start to build the house. I want to change that to Mr. and Mrs. I don't marry. So I'm under my husband. So before we will start any project for this one, not be the one where the village. Oh, this one are the one where I buy. Where I never know my husband. Now one start to prepare to do something for there. Then one fair change the name to Mr. and Mrs. At first say we don't start and not cheating. Mr. and Mrs. You understand me so? You don't feel like see, I know they talk and they bring evidence. Wait, tomorrow I go post the rest. The C of O everything. I go post everything tomorrow. You don't want. You don't, I see, they don't see, I say I don't get the thing. Now, I don't go talk. If I get time, I go see, every day they show. They crazy. My husband sister go get us, you don't want. for all the stress. Wow, bell. Oh yeah, let's listen to the idiot. And no give we.
All right, guys. At this time of the year, after 5 years in live video, nothing to achieve. Every affair, Magbona, Oboya, Yemi, die affair, na Fufwa, Oboya, Yemi. They don't give you documents, they give you documents.
How's well? Away. They play.
You go marry the people for us. The moment you be anyway. They go to take away. Almost what? He may well correct you with the name. I am better than you.
How? Talk on.
Yet if you pay Gogo, because Egogo listening to me. The video when I do yesterday, not because I want to tell or press Egogo. I do that video to let Egogo know say, Albert no da. Albert no da. You know what that happy birthday celebration. Or see in that time, no you are removing. Almost what you should be ashamed of yourself. You dey tell me say I eat Sharon money, I eat Sharon money. If not true, say I really eat Sharon money, or Sharon money during my marriage, let Sharon Okpame.
Yes, what of the money where they contribute give you? When Mama Sharon reject her for you, say anybody where want donate money, make they donate time for the account where they bring come outside. But no get you put your own for WhatsApp group. Yes, the money, who is the money? The money where they contribute, you return her. You return her. Answer me. Mama Sharon, you not give her the money where they don't quit, they contribute. You return the money. Come talk her, you return her. You eat her. Use her do marriage. Wow, bell. You want to declare her because the matter don't pass. Who not remember? Mama Sharon say no need down. Make you use her and do marriage. Where the money they not give you. You return and give the people back. You return and give them. You return her. One more then you go ye. As you do the money, come and contact the time about where the money where they contribute for Sharon, where Mama Sharon rejects, where you put her, you return and give the owner. And to Bezi and to Bewa soon. Ojoba Jeru. Oh, you think everybody don't forget? Go tell the whole world the money where they contribute, give it for WhatsApp group. For where you do WhatsApp group with because of Sharon. The money where they contribute for Sharon. For that WhatsApp group, where you put her, because Mama Sharon say me use and do marriage. Say you don't need the money. You return and give them. You return and give the people back. How you did the money? Cut a can. Don't time agbon. Who go agbon? Abu wete agbaya me. Agbaya me meti me. Agbaya me. You meti me. I will know how to do one. Where the money? Now it's time for you to come and explain to the whole world. How you do that money? Instead to come and tell the whole world. Mama Cha was saying no need the money. Say input account for there. If they don't put her for there, any account where they put the money, may not get carried. You know need that. What do? You return the money, give the people. Don't tell me about why we don't go. You bear bon or job jeru. Beggy.
If it is true, say, let Sharon Okpame money. If it is true, say that money really join my marriage.
Swear.
Let Sharon Okpame. Anyway, if me really donate for you.
Where you put the money?
And that money, I'm not going to give your family.
Oh yeah. Where you put her, which person you give? Kotokan. Don't want to say that is Genoa. Kotokan. Yes, we need to know the parts of that money. You are to bring us like said well at your name. Don't tell me who really go down. Don't tell me bon. We are with marriage. Ebonutie. Oh, tell them. A marriage now, all girl is zaga. If the mama not don't even they cry. Quarter away your apple sumo. For your men now, you think say mama not call mama God's power. Go say as a blogger. When mama God's power take talk and say he call her. When you laugh go no yeah, you wear wagiro. Oh, you don't forget. Ooh, what can they pretend? We not do pretend. I shock when Mama Gospel will talk and say, Mama Nora, the way you take call me, I respect you, but you beg a no give. Go look at blogger. No bell wagon. When no met it on the waweji. Wag bell. Oh yeah, come and talk.
Uwunenya ubere we mebere we. Iga ye di way afieki. Ina li go di bere marriage we. Ege mi gwa lo so wo bo we bo na.
We ka me we bo.
We wa ma so we.
Ija. We no wa ne. We bebe we bo a. E beg we. Beg with him. Party we want to do for on the 28th. You call the carry, you don't know as you want to beg again. You call the carry people come and cut the beg. Now someone they psychiatric. Mama, okay, get you need money. All the days after the beg just to complete your show. You they use okay the money we gather for that mad person. You where the money? You say you put up for one of your friend account. I pray you. Not be you where we know. Job bad. You want to give them small.
Eni waloni eni neru no salon va dede egbe lori eme ege so wo bo o
we uwe owa uwe zaga agbama we ebon we ru weti owa de igi owa we ebe owo wa we go how many years for abroad when we go serve social media now umame nu ya u umame nu ya boy so ma ya u ije no rodo ta be dere we umabo wa oto ude e monica be rigo no ya doto nekwemu upon all the money we they get for social media well you say na be wo bo la we gbe
imari go we bare marriage me ko gbe ko fo no rita le me gbe iri go we da marriage me be nya wa o wa na nya mana me mo bi na enya o wa ne dem almost wo. When Sharon Okpame is alive, did you love her? Did you love Sharon Okpame? You saga let Sharon Okpame, the saga patience easy. But when Sharon died, because of false fake love. Almost you should be ashamed of yourself. Say, but now.
Well, we not go Masaga Sharon. Well, Masaga Sharon. Best way you call your blessing day the saga mama. Go on go on. We mag bije. We mag do bije Sharon with social media now. Uma tebe ne shara ya wa shawe we ya gbigbi ya bia e. Uma de ta obiara wo so mala tele no na aragbon. Wa bije no rifu do not top put. Uma do gbe social media no gbe go on. But now when you come down na dem go for that show love. He didn't laugh. Wana bije. Oh, aragbo wan bije go. E shara na gele aragbo. The saga wa ya saga e sharon we gani wana do agbije we social media. Oh, agu wa saga ge no aragbo. Ogi guda wana saga ije. Wa gbe o, ugwa we saga. E saga na ho.
Now you married the day before. The necessity be when my meaning we are talking we are good. Because I said they help Mama okay. Message to Wago the dead almost you should be ashamed of yourself. Now only you want to sleep with woman, you can't talk up for social media. Almost what you say the marriage when I did, if you call it today, we'll play tomorrow. That is how marriage is. Marriage is not a bed of roses.
Marriage. Marriage now no vision or aje. You the man of the house. You will be homeless. Ladies, you are homeless in Nigeria. I'm the man of the house. Out of my ass. To show that you are not the man of the house. Woman they pursue you, you go carry you, come back, you go pursue you. Oh yeah. Egbe marriage ni me do kwa we me yo worry. Akwa we over do take be me go obia ye. For your mate, you want call yourself a man. A marriage ni. A marriage a mababa. A marriage ni. Wa gbe o. Okay, marriage je mama so we. We no we luxurious marriage. Akuwe ye ku we yere. Ebi kera wasunu ye no raso atie wo. Mama God's power. O be ya tie. Iye God's power the time social media. A marriage ni. A marriage all tia be here we. Ola agbaye platform rame. Ola agbaye platform Monica. Egiwe a marriage ni. I'll go to follow my husband enemy. I'll go to follow the my friend. They write for their platform. I think I'll get on up your woo. Or marriage reaction here. Oh, my godmother with my godfather will come quarrel now. Then my godmother will come go the right for your platform. Oh, 1 year, I don't allow all the year with time. All the year with time. If you get out, you don't know what your phone. Who wants on your marriage? Come and go and sit down. It's a lot of egg, ya gwe egi awon ya mo bo emi kere asunu atu won agi owu.
Marriage, you know they graduate for marriage. You know they write exam for marriage. Marriage is understanding and tolerance.
Tomorrow outside.
Do 20 years anniversary. Check out. If they tell you what they don't see for each other marriage, you don't believe. As far as say the marriage not going to be like violence, no. As far as they not going to be that extent.
Police dore.
Or Maswo, the reason why when they will choose for us, lawyer to you be say that one don't go for life. You not get anything to do again with that. In fact, you don't even believe say go fear ever see your boy like you. You know Maswo. Don't tell me go maybe because I know the answer is there. If you say I fear you, what bijou?
What bijou? I don't know homeless. You don't know homeless when you don't go and walk bell or go on bed with your way.
Almost when you do your 1 year Yeko marriage, I tell you your 1 year Yeko marriage. The marriage in here.
Oh, mama saw when. Imagine make a rescue general ye phone or ye God's power. A marriage in here. Tamata. That the way me where AG made the bay a platform me where? That the way me very yo. Dear oh Hamana oh why ye not a man a luxurious marriage you know. I don't am here that a woman where a dead banate police. Now I say text or shout. Ou bien social bien condition where woman where bien ou ma be wo ou ma be divorce noti ni je noraga pe nu gba wa agbon nu sungu a marriage where dem dia a marriage where no bigger a marriage ni je nora nata where you no fit go die for inside marriage if marriage tire he go comot a marriage no here a keji you we bani Akwege wabada iyaka wo I'm the man of the house wa zete gbemu o de gbewe ku yada na that one you the come man of the house wa soon if you dey pay for house rent mama not for not dey pursue you up and down you dey yan fe en wa miani hin
mama tell dog God that is why they respect you because if you we are banya I know I know we Kevin. Salomon maybe you know that's a guy or my one you know that.
Wait, and they come and play that video where that guy said come for me, that lady. Where you they play the music, where I don't know which yeah music where you they play. As they play, mama not call his draw breast go up before you enter live video. As they dance for your music, breast call they go down. Breast Breast got the slow motion, how you talk. And they come and play. Ijeme, everywhere, enwenihi rimobere jime sweet 16 ah muje nora mujana mujime mudia me not praise my mama I na bata man wey dey like romance man wey dey like to the sub breast how they want to own mama not a breast any man wey will carry mama not a die day
They go invite neighbor.
the way which neighbor what neighbor what call do
Like me. Your tell me say, Jerry is there house. I bet you if you give me a small assistant, I'm willing to give.
you're going to raise the breast.
Then I will home one side, he go face one side.
Wala. He no get laura. How you take they sleep with mama not herself? Uya o.
But if they turn and go here, now all of the wrong way.
If they turn and go here.
All of the wrong way like this. Where the walk up word?
Wala. Why you no get mad sanga? My husband say if you want to mama Nora, breast go follow and go like this, G. If you want to and go this side, the breast will still follow and go.
Yeah, if they come better like this.
If they better like this. Yeah, the way you say better, so I don't understand you again. See the way they set.
You know that's better like this.
How do you breast?
They're not going to use that. But if you go there, how you call me, I got to use that.
You know, make everyone I swear. If I see for that, everyone go judge you for God. Oh, my husband say if you can't do like this, the whole breast, how the mom will take package up for it. Wait, why I'm going Not true to not true to no, you don't make sense. So no, not reality.
No, real guy man go understand what I dey talk.
Guy man not there yet.
My father and I go understand because he know better one when they ask. You know, say that one and I'm married on my head. You want to that like this, you those old and the mobile head. Like this one and double work. Where you want to start? I be you fair you say take bandage.
Yeah, well, you go say the take do carry the breast back.
No, back up for one side so that they don't go to give me the tomorrow stress. Because me like come like that at the platform. Don't become like
no wonder they get the cheat. They always they go outside, go they carry better.
Because you know, say any day when they want to go there now times 2 work.
And some are don't come now. Everywhere where they eat double decker.
Imagine say that thing when you cover here reach here. Imagine the kind of sweat when you go down under.
On your body or top.
As you come here like this, you want to like this.
Everywhere they walk. La truth, as if they call now that breast your for go down like this. If you know the one your raise and go up like this. Oh my God, body odor, baba oh, voila, my husband. See Bessie where they talk to Bessie. Oh, hello, hey, ulela wa.
Mama mora still the market. You know right yet yet. Based on
which boy one boy go see boy shawo. Obe bela wo ku o ko obe bie na. Omo biaro. Omo bia okwo wa biele. Aga no ma bi omo bia. Oni aga no ma bi omo bia. Ati they tell say mama na ko bon wa joy your pikin. You don't think say that one will see big girl again. God will cause he can bless you now. He go see bless you now twist again. And they'll call the pack children for we battle. Voila. I bet which kind of husband and wife be this one? Cause he said, I bet which kind of husband and wife be this? She said, my husband, hey, look here, that mama not the market. You forget. He said, mama not at the market. You dey give her hope. Why you can't go the cheat for outside? When mama know that they cry for inside house. If not be woman, that breast, oh God, don't go area. You don't want.
Because you know stress when you buy.
No, not get right. You see her before you marry her now.
No.
You see her before you marry her now.
You see her.
You see her.
Before
you marry her, they not do like this. They not do like this. You not see the breast. You see the breast. Let me see here. You see her. Na condition. You not get the fee say go fit give her document. Na condition. He not get the right to shit because he don't marry her now. Yeah. He don't marry her. He don't marry her. Now, for their own pastor, we bless them. Better for worse. Hey, look here.
She just don't want to go. I don't want to assist on the way. Now, why forget what to do?
Market.
So, I must go inside and think about your life. You are totally a big boy. My sister, my younger sister, when the mock say she not go fit born. Or be them ya, or tell them be there. Or tell them no go work pastor.
Or even beer, honor your beer, you get the same date of Nora unto regbe. Now so you see top. Congratulations to mama no mama. Mama na mama don't go born for the month of my for your birthday. Mama na mama cause he come out, he can't disgrace you. He say he not born for your birthday. Now your sister na cause he born for your picky birthday, mama. Ije no rawa kwa tenenoge. Mama na mama born for your husband birthday. Your sister cause he come born from Nora birthday. Na every of una birthday, na that they born put. Yeah, man. Men we mewo. Who are did your body yewo? So that you don't talk her now, so that you call the user and cut the beg money for social media. No gay, echo. He can't go born for your birthday, your picky birthday. Mama no mama si do born picky. He say he born for the month of your for a bed. Uguto regbe. Uto regbe. Unu web or pico.
Almost for 8 years we war.
Oh yeah.
Where Pierre Babola we be.
Sorry.
La so na boy. Without be to know so my life better pass you.
Asa.
People make it like mama really like that. But you don't let want make people they bring evidence they come aside. If mama okay strike come aside, say you need money, wait it come be your business.
Ever mo webo. I dey come and complain record. May I tell leave that matter first.
When mama okay lost the song, a lot of adult people they talk say, Mama, more donate money to bring your pikin back. The mama say no, make them bury her for Europe. But now the woman need boss. When I say what dey Europe, almost well before your papa die, what do you do for your father? Not be the year when your father shop cow. Not be that year, not be your papa.
Every day you don't shock. At least or year Emila ne year then okay wu. Oma wu okay gbemila. So you don't answer that word by yourself. The rest when you can't talk na saga. You understand? Very well wa munera ata kuju we. We dey use oje piano. Dogu me mu go na what o ti oda fun e. Nekwemu. Wo ata ekena muju weji, ekena meru weji, ata kan hin no wa du magi o wa nu gbe wa gbon nu sunwu bon no gun eri make na bere eraji era ye mi la ke wu ogugwebo we o wa ijo era gbo meti de milane ete na to we ba mi go ya mo wa ni jue wa sunwu
apa almost for take time o take time wow gba bera wa bizua baba ola egbe ni Chris ozo nu mako wa gbe baba ola egbe o ma gbo we I don't want to go on YouTube, go to message you. You want to message you on Facebook. I don't want to do blog for you. Almost what? Yes, the only thing I don't get that document. You say I use document, go to Bama, I use document, go to joint court. But you forget, say, when they give me suspension, now when I come back, now I raise that 5,000 euro for my document.
Where the document now? A document you why you nani go yawo? The way yawo, I pay debt we bo do want pay debt. They not go send that because of document. We the owe debt for we the owe Italian money. For the marijuana where they cash out with, they say we will pay the this thing. But our document they still give us. They still give us.
Bet. So I can't use money, take go buy my year. I can't use the money, take go join court. Not be meeting where they did it for the suspend person. So meaning they just carry suspend me, may worry and what you by him. Now let today I still message you.
Now
message you when you say well.
Now you told it. You lie.
A document you might go there today to tomorrow. Don't place for you for the work. Almost what? Bring where you for the work, they come aside. The one we call you vessel pass say
we are get now winner. You know they work, but you get us, they pay us rent. They can not make any goes work. Way. Oh, they can now winner. Oh, no, yata we winner. Oh, no, yata we winner.
Why me not call you or why me not message you? May you delete Abba Bishop. You and Abba are the same. Now you say Papa the same Mama for born or two. You people are enemy of progress. They go not tell where police is that by you wiring now. You not tell you. If you ask arrest no wrong. Hey police is that by you wiring now. Nonsense. Apart from document, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Umogwa, you know girls.
Abam, 5,000 euro, Yadiba, 5,000 euro, Yadiba. Meremi, you will not.
And no get yes. You see, I know the live video where police come. I know the Ama will call. I will call. I defend myself. Not be saying my mind. We not do church or so, but wait the time. The police where they come wait come up from my ass. Now they sit time my husband say, make it go back to Questora. If not be my husband, be don't change that for the police, not be saying my mind. Where the picky where I show. Where the picky where I show. You the Chris. It is be like you if the police can you quit a live video. Who is you? When my husband dey where they sabi speak Italian, you dey why? Where the picture? Where the face of the picture? A police where there is no face. Okay, we are when I delay. When I show the one way was past that one. Fire you them why? Come for here. Now who call the fear police? Come on, I go sit down.
According to
police. If they come out, I heard the live video they enter again. You don't want. I tell us I'm not the delete her. It's okay, based on their work by end this one, if you enter again. You don't Chris. If you know you're right, you nobody if you bully you. Never. If not my husband, don't change that for the police before. He said, may I come and say, where the picky, where the face? I thank God I not even believe picky for there. Oh yeah, let's go to court. You are one, you don't want to say that they call police for person. Now who call police for person, I don't win the case. The video, not because I not go delete it, the video is there. I not talk anything about bullying, so bring it up. You dey crazy? Go ask the police, where the face of the pikin? You not see her. When I show on my own, you dey tell me, when I even show where back they ring my bell. You dey crazy? Who has what? No law. No law for abroad. Well, man, that video teacher will not save her. They play.
Not suspend me. Because a member here not suspend me.
The year the sister there also.
You know when they allow me. Now my first make me know the whole German 1 naira today. Which has to get? Come on, get this side.
Yeah.
My sister has.
Yeah. You said no, my sister has.
I know why you. I dey hear a lot of stories today. Your sister has not popular. Oh, you mula dia.
You said no, my sister has we not popular. Nah, go. You say your sister? Okay, no, my sister has to even talk. Which of my sister la? And no, the la don't tell me. Which of my sister? When of you be wala dia? When of you ne be wala dia? No, bohwa. When of you la dia? The community, the chairman of the community, he go bring the number for you. I feel call the community of that place. No. Where they come yeah, man. I go make the time ni awudu ni the me that time ni awudu ni larger with social media, but we don't settle the whole issue. They crazy. See the evidence is show. Mr. and Mrs. And not they bring your own paper. Now let your name there. He went go not there, mama not there. Because you know say mama not money not there na beg beggar. Mama you not gay. No you Nora. You fit both show the paper of the ass where no get back, the lad way back. Show the paper whether your name just there. Whether Mrs. Jonah. Even the one way they up, so this man way they up. Before I start to do anything, I go change that to Mr. and Mrs. Uda. Wow, man, you know. He said that my sister guys, we not the popular. I want her. My house where I back cash. I never died. They don't get that. They go.
Because your sister not the popular, that make people use it.
I say as my sister not the popular.
How do you use your sister as?
Yeah, I use my sister.
It don't make any sense like that. I'm not too like fake life for this show.
No.
I'm not too like fake life. Why do you carry your sister as from the population?
I say now, we not build now.
It don't make any sense, why? You will get something before you publish, and not be sure you carry your sister because you know the popular. You come with the car to be your own.
No best.
It don't make any sense now. You come like say you don't fool yourself now. Say no be your house.
You see, I imagine. Shame my disgrace. My sister asked. This one a shame.
What did them marry you?
Emma, my husband just read here. Where did them? And okay, I bet. He say many evidence don't call your hand. Say, say I people take the lie. He say many evidence don't call. People did the year call. Uto regbe la vie de oh women. They don't follow me. They drag my ass. I just cut it on. My call police say well. He say I hear the messing you want there. Another evidence like that. We need to shot come out so that they follow us the dragon ass. My sister asked. And not they say get evidence. Now strong word the Togo. Hey, I go see you. Wow. Ask what would they ever arrest person put? Where then I go shop prison for 3 days. Oh, when my sister has evidence of come. Okay, I beg go. See my own, I go the brief, I go the even they call the chairman.
No, we are going to go.
Epadomo.
No. End that video. End that call.
Epa yate wa we regbe. Yate wa we regbe. Domo pa.
Hello?
Epa yate wa we regbe mo. Hello. So they follow me, they drag us over. Because the matter fed the station. I want me the thing so bobo now. You know me titi, you know how they do my own thing. Police well like they call so. Because that ass matter see the ground. You understand? You understand? Because the money where the guy shop where say he want pay us. He never see pay us for the ass. Hey. I bet no get bring evidence so. Hey. Love evidence la they maybe you well how whatever. My house where back cash. Evidence, many evidence though.
Javier worry as arrest.
Okay.
Viebo worry. The best of all day. You may post for women. Can you
Okay. Na challenge. Nah, I don't know say you push. Say me post my own, go post to you. Okay. You go bring the CFO. Now they tell me you don't want me here relax for the CFO.
No, all those things are yours now.
No, leave her, no. See. Oh yeah, bring your own. If Mama Nora need there for that paper, I know say you be man. If Mama, if the paper na miss, no edit, no your edit, no edit at all. Your bring and play. If na Mama Nora, Mr. and Mrs. Day, you dey craze. You say my bring paper. See my off for up. See my husband out for down. Mr. and Mrs. You see in there Jeremiah. Jeremiah Castle is son name. You dey craze? Oh yeah, I dare you to bring your own. If Mama Nora need there as Mr. and Mrs. I dare you Enogi. Nah, you dare me, I don't bring a comment. You bring your own. And you the person will get that ass. You bring the person, the document of the land, everything come. Now worry, bring her. Now you say you go bring your own. Now I don't bring my own. You dey criticize, they talk without no evidence. My own they see, I know they live fake life like una. Like I can never be. And the person go bring her for this crash. How they started to build the ads for this crash. How you take bear red sand for that street. Because before you start to build that for that street, you must bear red sand 2 trip. You go bring all the receipts come outside. The way where I the certain community, the papers, you go bring all of them come outside. Yeah. Where community say now say how much they want collect. When I call my godfather, says that is see what community people they call. You them mad. She said I got all the evidence for my phone. If you say about they play that or they play there, but the matter don't pass. You say my godfather not involved for this issue. See this idiot though. When we don't first, the person we first out of the fellows, we will give the first help us to build the house. He settled community. Community said they're not settled there. Now we carry on. My husband, mama called they do the thing. They say we not settle community. We not feel called the idiot where if they build them. We say we don't settle. They say we never settle. The thing why involved to the way is complex. If you take my husband's sister. This matter, it is not reach my husband, my godfather. You think my godfather not called there? See, you think that everything they bring over for social media. All of the communities, I record all of them. Even when I record them, even when me and my godfather they talk, they call quick change math. You dey crazy? When I get baba with the smile, all of them begin to change man. For your man, see this idiot. The customer of bring 350 will pay that day. They scatter my husband's sister iPhone. 370. Yes, 370. The certain committee plus the one who fit settle. All of the calculated, you know how much? The cost it come again. Even the light, I never put the light safe. They say I must pay 200, I be 300 to connect light put for pole. The wire of the pole they inside the house. After the money when they don't shot me, evidence day. The chairman will write paper and give us say if anybody come here come arise, I'm gonna show them the paper. To the extent the chairman give me a number say if anybody come there come arise, I give them my number. Now I take get the chairman number. You dey crazy. I don't get bring your own. Me not the show loud, that the show us. Mister, you see the paper? You don't mad? Come here, because they talk nonsense. Say me, hey, I don't bring my oil. You come outside again, come do the live video. You come do live video. Oh, yeah, I want to show you all. If Mama Nora there as Mr. and Mrs., I dare you. Me, they dare you now. See my paper of my land as I collect her from my people hand. Now I want to change her to Mr. and Mrs. The day I go change her to Mr. and Mrs. I still come repost her. Say I don't change her. I don't marry. You don't have to be a Mrs. It's supposed to be a Mr. and Mrs. Thunder fire your papa dear. This I be like where they live fake life. Oh yeah, make the person see blue paper of that land. Everything. And the test start for the beginning, the crash, everything go bring her come out. The person will get the ass. Now me build my house finish. Now me build down. As you come out from that Daniel and my husband and mama, they go do whether we gather money, almost 10 million what they put for the house. They go back the rest. Now me finish up. They never touch the guy, they never put gates. Then now me finish up. Oh, now me control my house. Now me be my husband manager. Now me be my husband manager. All the workers will work for them, they are not bad. Now me get my husband not get down. Now me be my husband manager. Say now my sister, I go there abroad, they follow person they build. You make sense to you. My sister will not they popular. Let me call the help the builders. Who is go on there? This I be like where they push the head up and down. I can go the help person the builder. When you don't want. Oh yeah, make the person bring the paper of the land come and say no soon. So I be like where they live fake life.
The boy say if you post here.
Oh yeah, see my own.
Maybe true what you do me you go near me a bogo me for.
You see you hear what he talk? He say maybe tree the cost donate money for her. Maybe go to this guy don't get shit. He say if you not true my poster, if I post her, if you can post you, maybe 3 there, God cause you bless her, he will cause you video. You know, no.
They don't fit to do that kind of money.
You know how much they push for that ass?
I don't want them to do that kind of money, give you the money.
You see this guy. You want donate money, give you. See what they say, what my sister, baby, say, maybe 3 that one that call donate. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You see this guy, know you get shame. Pour you spit.
10,000.
10,000.
10,005. 10,008. You don't donate money. How many million they want to donate for you?
See, they didn't even get shit to put on that one.
They want to donate for you.
You wait there, brother, call donate money, may take go build us. Oh, now make you talk. Oh, let me see my own. See this guy, oh. You don't even get that shame. See what you talk. Treat their girl, come to people, come donate for me. Jesus. Here we get the most even no more thing. About go where? Not be my husband work table. They know they pay Facebook now. If not you for send a Facebook, they know they pay me. They not monetize the page. My husband work as a man, and he wear their as arrest. Now they want the chest hand. Jesus. Dear, you be man. See what did this here bang at the top? Jesus. And I don't even know say even thought this guy like this one. Okay, you know what they give you? All these people where they donate, then they work. Oh, this guy, they okay. They give her.
And what is supposed to know? Those people are also, then they enter the code, they enter the sun.
Even
in the market, they say, don't be your life, don't be prison, you risk. And prison, you risk. Even in the market, they say.
This one na shameful to you. Say now if God cause it to people see the.
The destiny backward you go to what must go. Where did you know where? The destiny backward you go to where?
They talk about people. Why
Hello.
do you talk about yourself?
I just tired. See this man, that this guy na just useless guy. Yeah. Then you come and go they talk to me and no gay. You will come and go they talk to me as arrest. Because that's he come out that day. He say, how is it possible? As arrest go get document. As arrest. Later I see Mumu come outside. He say, I know people they post document of 2020. I post her again. 2020 wait, want to expire. No. He say na my sister na I get house. Now I don't post the paper of the house. All the paper will take certain community. My husband don't call you, but mama said that home. They make that one where everybody you bring the evidence, so you must bring the evidence. You the grace. Bring, I just say you go bring your own. If you want make people donate money for you, may take build that house. If mama not a name, they go donate give you. If mama not a name, they for that document, because you are a stupid man. For you to have a land and now you and the woman down under the roof, now to do the begging, where the money there you come put on your name. I dare you may bring that paper come out whether mama nor a name there as Mr. and Mrs. You will we know.
The woman they me will contribute.
You contribute.
If your wife name
if you contribute, okay. My husband don't talk and say if your wife name there for that paper, he go contribute. I dare you to bring the paper. You hear me? How much you want to contribute?
I'll give her 15 bags of cement.
15 bags of cement. That they contribute to. He said, go give you 15 bags. If mama Nora name day, I dare you. And not getting let there. 50 bags, I go put 10 bags. Me personal, I go put 10 bags. If mama Nora name day for that your for that paper of land, we say you get. I dare you. My husband say go give you 15 bags of cement. Me go put 15 John. I will not give you the money, but you go no, me no know the area.
No, if you just give the address.
You go give the address. We'll tell us me go carry the cement. So find around that area. I dare you. See, I dare you bring the paper of that this thing come outside. If Mr. Now that paper is Mr. and Mrs. I dare you. We get children. We never born finish. And we never build finish. The next king will follow. But we never born finish. More fair born finish first. Now 4 we want born. We don't get my husband get for a village, but we never finish am. We get build one way they be finish. Every the one we see the village, now still Mr. and Mrs. I go see fair the paper come outside. Now this my own where it dey also where be Mrs. S. So now where I never know my husband. Now they buy am. But if they want start to the work for the place, now Mr. and Mrs. They will change the name before I start to the work for that land. You're there with my man, what they do you corny. You dead there, they useless people for there. If the man really love you, I dare you may come out and say, he put your name as Mr. and Mrs. Now this time, woman call them, go stuff I follow my finish. Then another woman go they collect the glory. If your husband really love you, bring your paper, come outside, whether na Mr. and Mrs. I go see bring the one with the beef for village. Bring the paper, come out. Now still Mr. and Mrs. And my husband village for that matter. Now still Mr. and Mrs. At this house arrest, I know the work. Now he they work the money. But he love me, he puts me because I the follow, I be manager. Money I the manager for him. You the crazy upon all the shut everything. Well, then my Mrs. not go over there for the paper. I will work on your job again now. And okay, you say if I bring my own, you go bring your own. But no editor. If you edit, you will know. Social media don't put eye. You tell me now, don't bring a comment, and I go see the bring more. Your wait. You know what we made over the door. It may quay a ladina. So then they tell me say bring evidence. Because if you tell me say bring evidence, they shock you, they shell it. Evidence they day. But you say you go bring your own, come and say, now I dare you to bring your own. If Mrs. Day, my husband will give you 15 bags, me go give you 10 bags. Now you say now what you go if you say bless you be that one. Me can't dare you now say if Mrs. Day will go donate. What soon? And this is they live fake life like you. What I not get, I call you say get evidence. Many information don't come for us. Say, my sister asked me, no. Which of my sister? You don't say sit the lie. Me and my sister would they play? Me and my family people will not they play. Because it shock you. How is it possible? You say, ask her because you can't be that again. With the only they shock there. With the only they shock you now. Now grace. Oh yeah, did this air. I know they look material things. I know they buy material things. Tisa na buy you my hair. You shock you. Your leg ask. What if they build not be a shower? Not be we no so me I no use that. See the big difference. Now my husband house are there when I build house. Thank God say I never get freedom. Now when the doctor say as I get freedom, I go they do all show because only one do tell last. But I dey inside house arrest. I know they come. It's over so you and bash your by your way. I know use all show to build that, and so that said that I'm proud of it. I am proud of it. I know you be a guy bowa. Oh what do you bowa? Is a proudness. My mama don't come and cut us in builders now. Wait till they build that. Oh, but you don't talk before now. If they start for poor, they come back to finish the ass. They don't get anything when they want to saga me. What soon? I dare you now. People go contribute. If mama not ask, they inside. I know they get they never monetize. I never see what they do live video. They never monetize me. You see star. You see monetization. You know how many times they don't thief my page. Now this year, I hope you know how many times they thief my page. Now this one they not fit thief. Your husband go collect your ass. Which ass? I be in other time when your husband go collect my ass. Ask where you want still build with him money. You don't know how the marriage is there, you're local, so you're in that area. Now me decide. Yes, I cannot say Mr. and Mrs. This marriage now for do better for do or die, no. I know they go, we go nowhere. Yes. We go nowhere. We die there. Me no understand you no give wife, no give mama for our own house. I don't understand. My brother, me not see understand you. And not get saying get land. He saying dare me. Make I bring my paper of land, don't bring am. Now me can't dare now. He say can't talk one thing, say maybe if in our truth, God will cause it bless her, people cause it donate for her, make it be the own house. Then people go donate. But if you bring the paper of the land, Mama Nora dey as Mr. and Mrs. Now this time around, now that the mumu.
If you know the way, come back and born 5 children for her before children.
He say,
you go must there now.
he go there. Enogi. He go put Mama Nora picnic. If he dey make her boss.
Like the woman, you supposed to put her now.
If you like the woman, Enogi tell you say he like Mama Nora. Enogi not like her at all.
I go say no like her. You know like her now you born for her.
Make it breathe the paper. Now the paper will take no now.
2, 3, 4 children, say no like her.
Dear, make it breathe the paper now. More wait. You don't dare me now. Don't bring my own.
On the normal guy, man, no dey get property. Because first of all, the property now for the children and for the wife. The person will talk say property. If you any property will you get now for your wife and your children, as soon as you know say you like the woman and the woman born your children for you, what you concern you concern property. The reason why you dey build now to build for your wife, make person no mock you say you know. Because first of all, they no go mock the woman one day. As soon as they dey with man, as soon as they dey with man, they no mock am one day. Look at the man, they go mock. So no dey look at the woman no get any problem.
Enogi, I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Say if your name, if Mama Nora name dey for that property, I dare you. I will contribute 25 bags of cement, me and my husband. Now there, I know my word for my marriage. You understand me? If you not get love you, Mama Nora, make it bring the paper, come and say, na Mr. and Mrs. You say cook saga. When we say saga me, autumn. It be like the boy, it be like Jojo. You know, as you even come and say, you know, say they happy. Also, he say, hey, for your man, you dey saga me, you dey crazy. I'm gonna use everything beat you. Bring it up. See, I don't bring it, bring your own now. You dare me, I not dare you. If Mama Nora dey as Mr. and Mrs. I know the man where I marry. I get that confidence, not be say. I put my 2 legs put for ground, be the bar. You understand me so? It's your working. You understand me so? It's your work. Don't look beside the do for social media. I know how to discipline my home. My husband know how to take the discipline home. If you love Mama Nora, you bring the paper of the land, whether your name day as Mr. and Mrs. You see my own? The other one where they up now my own Mrs. because I was single when I buy that one. I never know my husband. Every day is day. The one where they village, the paper, I go see computer. Now see, Afuzeo, Amuchio, not be even Binio, my husband village, another mass land where I go. My name still there as Mr. and Mrs. You know why? Mr. and Mrs. So, no worry. Don't worry, you're relaxed, you're patient. I just say could bring evidence. You know, say my own evidence are the now worst. He kwe ya ladia. Ya se gbe kuye ke ya. Easy vie ya ladia. Wa bola wa gbe wa sun we de nevoro wa. Imagine this idiot to tell me say I bring my sister. Which of my sister? Me and my family people they play. Ubege no ya tore e. Uma ye fi weri e. Ogo wa ma ye fi weri e bo. Uma ye fi weri e. You wake up join my papa they beat me. I can't take go make peace with my sister. No. That can't carry half. You know, if you say, okay, make it all the lights, okay, now my husband's sister. And my husband's sister, no, they don't know they be in a village. They. Oh, don't know yet, no, okay. Oh, yeah, bring it up. Oh, yeah, bring your own. If you edit and say you go rush, put Mrs. Where you know, say not be Mrs. You go no. Bring it out. It's still be jail, no, no, my leg be. Not so now. He say, so now my brother you they marry. No. na wa sungu kaya tell wa bell nonsense of you. Say na my sister, are you the one you dey see the evidence they show for there? They not they tell you. I go they pack all of them, they come out. The one she wa for go marry so. Na my papa la no be Bini I know. Bini and Igor Bazua no be I know rich. What I go for Anwichi. But I born for the man. But my name, you see level. You see the level. You see the level what I get. My name cost it day for the paper. Mr. and Mrs. No get level day forget. Wasungu. Yo. The thing not they talk again. What happened? Wait, why the thing not they talk again? Okay, 15 minutes. May I remove? I don't know why. Okay, you have not remove one more. I don't see where the problem there now. You see person where they talk. Yeah, boy. When we saga, we me leru nu we laja ni me. Wa gbe o wa gbiki. Oh, where my sister has. Yara boy abo wa no ma. For not the stress. Emi ya.
Now they call it no game. Every do view born Godfather when we go Godfather we are soon. Why ba did that wa bo ye we. Usaga o yere ni obu no that for me fake carry. It's a boy on the band. You got the lady go be marriage me.
Urio e.
Awa ma.
Urio e. Nani go wa we nani go e. Wa we nani go dota ma go wa we.
Thank you Peter Manodio.
You go sharo wa we.
If you come and see people donate from the market, I will even be happy. Oyaro you hear. But when the pikin die, we will na so na we go give my pikin for us. Na we donate money, so na we go give her for us. But now, if you are any day boss, cardi worker, you no need to give me money. You know they okay. If you do okay, you know they fake account. Real people, they don't complain.
Why suddenly beg this period where you know say your party will show what you want to do now the 28th? Why all this suddenly begging? Why? Why if you say if you don't use your cause problem when go over you finish your call they use people call they beg just to complete your show. You want to do show, you want to title show, you don't use start the beg. I table now this one. Me dena ko go agba ko beba. He want he say he want complete. He never ever be that that's na land. He now get na land he get. A boy ya gbolu. Na but he want his beg to go build.
You don't need to complain. Or when you are there God you will bed na no rewebo. No more when we have a webo one. Or on la the way he need gold for next year, next birthday. Am I go man in Nigeria? Because I don't look at them. I told one moment. Last time, let's not do another way. Now they call it no game. Every do view bonny Godfather when we go Godfather we are soon. Why did that? What? My boy like me. Thomas, go and think about your life. Remember, when we lose your wife, they say you might.
You live my own basic community people. They hear the name with the panic.
Not true though.
Community people hear the name. They panic.
No be lie.
They panic. Oh God, where you from?
I say when my godfather call community people, everybody begin they deny. Now I say per record all of you now. Daddy, I they come and forward all the record give you. Community they go they beat me because they say they are abroad. As they talk, now I call my godfather. Daddy, see what did happen, no? See community people, I don't settle before. I don't know that see the call, see they disturb me. See what did they fed do me? When my godfather say, yeah, conference me. Oh boy, this one they pass for the give this one. Now therefore, see no say my godfather don't even see do this kind. He doesn't do community. Now bad guy. I swear. Now therefore, see no say my godfather don't first do community. Now my godfather can say as they do for community, as they do for community. The chairman of the community says so. You know now you call the. Now you can see the line now there for the seafood. Now all of the dinner waiting they tell me. Now I said that I record all of them. I put all of them for record. Places where I call in name, they call everybody. This one they pass for, they give this one. This one they pass for, they give this one. This one they pass for, they give this one. When they hear best as not also. You don't play. You will lay with the hard way. Everything where they tell me, they deny. When my godfather showed they say, now they only know for social media. Fine, they don't know. All of the way they don't all of them don't sit down eat. They don't sit do things together. They don't sit do things. Now me conference there. The community people with my godfather, I was there. Now sir, this is my godfather. Don't see wrong guy for Nigeria before he enter. You don't want? Oh yeah, I dare you now. Blogger, you people should call that place. I dare you. If you love your wife, we're born for you. Family children, you clear say born for you. Bring your paper of your land, whether Mr. and Mrs. You don't want. You know say you oh.
Go and think about your wife.
Man.
Is that your wife? It's the wife. It's the wife. Then I will remember you so now. Then I hear me. If I knock my woman 3 times, away, I get belly.
You get 3,000 naira. Now take on
3,000 with you.
the money where they pay, and they say you pay remain.
For Susu. I dash you.
Okay.
I beg with me. The man, almost what they know your masene. Let them know come and your masene. In Yara, Coco, a weapon, and we have masene. Almost what we made to gay. Almost when you don't know what you do. Where am I saying? Everyone was saga. Occasion was saga. As a rest, you say they come for me. Kind. Oh my goodness. Or a godfather went on Zua. Or a we they come for me. Maybe the Muhammad when I go fee, the police go whatever around. I do what I tell the police. My the police tell police in Monia. Here I am, Kata. It be my yoho.
Okay.
And anytime me have me, as I what am with the boss. And the worker, you don't need to give me money. You know they okay. If you do okay, you know they fake account. Real people, they don't they complain. You don't need to complain. Or when we are there, God, you will better than no rewebo. No more when we have a webo one. Or like the way you need gold for next year, next birthday. I might go man in Nigeria. Because I don't look at since then. I told one moment. That's the rest no zoo another way. Now they call it no game. Every head of view body godfather where we were the one godfather we are so why did that one but like me. Thomas go and think about your life. When we lose your wife, they say you might go and think about your wife. Is that a wife? It's the wife. It's the wife. Then I will remember you so now. Then I hear me. If I knock my woman 3 times, away, I get belly.
You get 3,000 naira. Now take on
3,000 with you.
the money where they pay, and they say you pay remain.
For Susu. I dash you.
Fake life, 3,000 euro. I mean, what's Ugu? I fake life, make you carry, say make you carry. Oh, slow up, suffering as money for marriage. money in the marriage. Oh yeah, go back. Yeah, 3,000 euro. May take. He say may take for live video. You know, say take come out and he take. My mama want to talk to you concerning the marriage. Concerning the marriage, concerning the bride price. Like say take come out that day. Agba one ija we fake life.
Abi egbe mi o kan.
Ọ̀pọ̀ ìwé láti à.
Ọ̀pọ̀ ìwé masẹ̀mẹ́. Láti ẹnu tó tábà ìwé masẹ̀mẹ́. Ìwé rẹ̀ ló kókó rẹ̀ wẹ́pọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀ ya masẹ̀mẹ́. Ọmọ sọ ọmọ mẹ́rin gbẹ̀gẹ́ yìí. Ọmọ sọ you don't know the one where you dey o. Wọ́n ya masẹ̀mẹ́ yìí.
Enoge ọmọluwe bí ẹwọ kòkẹ́. No be government dey take care of your pikin. Enoge ọmọluwe kòkó. Ọmọ ne government kòkó wọ kòkẹ́. Now you they produce. Now government they take care of you. Mama Nora not talk that they say where they come and say no you where government they take care of. You where government they pay. Not be pepper body take come and say nobody where not they shop government money. My dear, nobody I know they chop. No, I know they chop. 350 I be 370 where they pay my children. Now their account they go because we go put account for them. I know they chop am. I know the shop. Yes. Imagine you government is shop. Who is that out of the shop government money? Who is that out of the shop government money? Now last year, yeah, where they give me document, I could go apply for Asinyon Unico. All these years, I know they take Asinyon Unico. They say if you not get plastic, because of the paper I get, they know they give me. If I apply, they say I go get the plastic. But people they use paper they apply based on the I know say now the case where me get now I make am. But they can't give me condition say I must get plastic. As I see get plastic finish now I go apply put and I see talking for social media and when they pay almost about 1,000 something. Now they pay as they pay I see do live video put and that is the day where I started to collect children benefits. Last year, yeah, we collect the money. I started to collect 2 months of it. Now my husband go open account for the children, which I see showing for social media. Yeah, I know they collect because we get what you. My children, my husband don't talk and say my pikin not the school for America, I not the school for Italy in America. So therefore, with the plan, you the craze. If government come today say what are they use the children money they do, I go carry them, I go show them the accounts. He marry and the year they not the lie, system not the lie. The day we start to do a senior Nico, the day we start to the collect time, they'll go right hand there. Oh, I open now 2 months of it. I can go pour account for my children. All of the day there. He marry because these children they won't go school, no, but they don't want school for Italy. You understand? He married go with me. I am proud of it. Mama Nora. I know they think about food one watch up. Nah. And they think about my children. With the camera, say nobody. I know they chop my children money. No. Now last year I begin the collector here. Now last year, yeah, I go open account. If they lose the distance, they go see. If you government say, what are you? They come in and say, what am I using the children money to do? I say, they fail do the year first. When I start to the collector, the year where I get document plastic. Now that year I apply put. When they pay 1,000 something once because na 3 something. They pay 2 months of it. I go open account. They will see the distance. They will say, yeah, you are a good parents. I know the chop pan even Yahoo. If you no use sense for money where they are abroad, you no get anything. Oh, this say that they are abroad, they bunch away. You know go. This say if your children don't complete 50 years, 18 years, university now they will still continue for una. They will play. This is the time you're supposed to gather for your children. Say nobody will not count now government they pay for my house rent. Now government they pay for my house rent. Government they pay for your house rent. Told that fire you. You know those people now call it those people now feeling now call those now to the rob people home. Where government they pay your house rent. Come and they talk nonsense. Nobody will not they collect government money. You they collect government money. Are you saving it for the children? No. You were the time say my godfather they take care of his children. Now your wife, now your children. You were born children with your own bola. Now government they take care of her for you. Are you not ashamed? You the tell my mother say me call born a journal for you. Who want to take care of her? Now government want to take care of her. Shame not the cash you. Who be do go one need do go on the social media. Now don't spoil now. Now cause that they do general. No. Not try again. I'm not the chop government money. The children they collect are not the chop pan. I open account for my children. The year where I begin to collect their benefits. Because if my pikin reach 50 years, I'll for you. Now you want to take care of your pikin. Now you will train for university. Government not there again. Then wait till you come gather. Wait till you don't offer. Before that time, before your pikin reach that 80 years, can you bring it on the table? No. Since when I tell you put that account, I fit tell you how much my children account. If you say most begin they bring evidence, it's shele. Not tell me say I bring evidence so because it's there. Even when I go put the account self, when I go sign for there, all the paper all of the day. I not the chop my children benefit. You don't the chop your own children benefit. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Money where they will give your children now, you the chopper. Tomorrow pikin reach 50 years now, they push out the way the other they push the pikin go as road work, may go they will do a shower. Call here, call they talk. You the born government they take care of her. You they come out they talk to man where not the government ask, where they pay us strength by himself. Where? They tell you, if they take care of people, children, to show how lovely and caring the man be, which is my godfather. Oh, what we be? We yeki we government talk about okay. You we saga no all van.
We saga. Okay, she we saga. As a rest, you say the call for me. Kai. Oh my goodness. Okay, godfather we no zua. Oga we you come for me. Yes,
of course. You see, I know the live video. I know delete her. Yes, of course. Yes. Ubega when the table change. Who was war? Who was war? When I tell police, bring the evidence. You don't see evidence. They show leg. Where the face, you know, when I show on my own, what is up? What is up? Then they ask my husband whether my husband go to make the nisha. My husband said yes. But they never see court there. They never bring later where they'll take go the court. He said, my husband go there again. You the crazy. Evidence, Sarah. I tell you, I get evidence. Who is war? Police, you know what you soon? Not the moment. Because I wanted at the thing. When they even tell me say make I end the life, the when I go pull years. When my husband tell me say they say make I end, I say la not the end. Where I go end down? They even tell me say make I end down. Then I'll see like maybe they know say they don't come for their job. Then I will start again. I end down and I enter again. You the crazy? They feed me. Who was you? No catch the police or win a case. Oh yeah na. What better no soon? We had the who were not time all the time. You just don't want every day. Then I put us I bully the picky. They say I put the picky, bring the picture now. Oh no, over here. The craze. I not end the live video. This I be like you when police go call you go. And I know they end my live video. Let you the craze. Why not the government has? Government not they pay me. You the craze. Why so? No sense of you. Oh, this I be like you where the police who down. Who may be wale here. Oh boy, Shelley. Oh, but the live video. I see that they say yes, I did live video. I had that again. When I show the one a big pass their own, even their colleague, they see their colleague inside. They say, "Oh, do not." And the same people will call you. Like I said, they do. They get mad. They get quite a live video. I not see it down. You they crazy? Don't think. They crazy.
Yeah, me kata. Ibu my yoho.
The kata no he. Oh, we am the kata. The kata ni am here. Oh, we iya.